Hey everyone, welcome back to Wellnessity. Today we're diving into a topic that concerns a lot of us, hair fall. If you've been struggling with thinning hair or just want to boost your hair health, you're in the right place. I'm going to share with you 5 amazing foods that can help stop hair fall and keep your locks looking luscious. And guess what? These tips are backed by science and personal experience. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our future health and wellness tips. Let's get started. Our first superfood is spinach. Spinach is packed with iron and vitamins A and C. These nutrients are essential for producing sebum, which is the natural oil your scalp needs to stay healthy. A deficiency in iron or vitamin A can lead to hair loss, so incorporating spinach into your diet can be a game changer. Try adding a handful of spinach to your salads, smoothies, or even sauté it as a side dish. It's versatile and incredibly good for you. Next up is salmon. This fatty fish is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to boost hair growth and reduce inflammation. Omega-3s help nourish your hair follicles and keep your scalp healthy. Aim to include salmon in your diet about twice a week. If you're not a fan of fish, consider omega-3 supplements or try other sources like walnuts and flax seeds. Number 3 on our list is nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds are all fantastic for your hair. They're rich in essential fatty acids, vitamin E, and zinc, which are crucial for hair health. Add a small handful of nuts or seeds to your snacks or meals. They're not only great for your hair, but also for your overall health. Coming in at number 4 is sweet potatoes. These are loaded with beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A is vital for cell growth, including hair cells. It also helps prevent dry, flaky scalp. Include sweet potatoes in your diet by roasting them, adding them to stews, or making sweet potato fries. They're delicious and super nutritious. Last but certainly not least, we have eggs are packed with protein and biotin, both of which are crucial for strong, healthy hair. Protein helps with hair growth, while biotin strengthens the hair. Whether you prefer them scrambled, poached, or boiled, try to include eggs in your diet a few times a week for optimal hair health. So there you have it, 5 amazing foods that can help stop hair fall and promote healthy hair growth. Incorporating these foods into your diet can make a big difference in the health of your hair. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which of these foods you're excited to try. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on health, wellness, and beauty. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Which food they'd like to see in future videos, or what hair issues they face.